Hello everyone, welcome to Layered Edge. My name is Chase, and if you're new here, which I'm assuming you are because this is only our second video, we're building a 3D printing business, and more specifically an additive manufacturing business. One of the things we want to do here on the channel is talk about what you can do with 3D printing. Now that could mean a lot of things, but one of the coolest things from my perspective is that you can solve real-world, everyday problems that you just run up against. Now this can range from something as simple as this microphone holder here, that I didn't design myself, but just printed out from MakerWorld. Same for this right here, which is a headphone holder that has a great desk clamp, and I use every single day. To something even more pragmatic that we're going to show in the video coming up. Now, Tim, my partner, did the video. He's pretty camera shy, even more so than me, which is saying something because this is not my favorite thing to do. But I lost the paper, rock, scissors match we had to see who was actually going to have to do YouTube. What he is really good at is designing problems or designing solutions for problems that he runs up against just in day-to-day things. So today, we're going to show a perfect example of what you can do with 3D printing for a problem that anybody could run into. With that, I'm going to show you why we went about it.
Alrighty guys, we got a new project. My dumb German Shepherds. Probably not this one, but that one hiding over there. Tries to get into the house, and he has managed to completely chomp this handle in two. So now I have to try to CAD and 3D print it. So there it is, the handle. You can see their teeth marks on it. All right, we'll keep you updated on how this goes. All right, so there it be. So that is our repaired part. Tell me what you think. Alrighty, there she is done. Ready to go. Put the heated threaded inserts in. Okay, let's try two with this 3DZW Man Chinese heat pressing machine. There it is right there. We got the iron heated up to 350, and let's give this a try. So what I did differently here is I colored this black so that you can see a good contrast between the brass, because I couldn't see it and I sunk it in too deep. So these are M5 threads. And then the outside diameter of this is 8 millimeters or 7 millimeters, I think. And then it's 8 millimeters tall. So I think I did this whole 6 millimeters. You want to be a millimeter undersized on your 3D printed hole. And then just want to set that there like that. And we'll get that. Put it down there in that hole and sink her in. So just to where we lose sight of the brass there. That should be it, folks. That's much better. All right, let's get this other one. So you want this little collar to be down towards the hole, and this flush side to be at the top. Show you a little bit closer for this one, and let's check this out. Works like a charm. So now I've got to run to Home Depot and get me a couple M5 threaded screws, because these original ones here, they must be like just a little bit different size. M4 or something. And we'll see how long it takes my dogs to tear this one up. There we go. There should be, folks, all back together.
Now, to me, this was a simple but extremely effective example of what 3D printing can do. Tim had a broken door handle, but it could have easily been anything else. Just something simple to solve in your everyday life that he didn't have to go and find a specific part, didn't have to figure out which one would fit correctly. He just designed the part, found easily sourceable hardware from Home Depot, and was able to get a part before the end of the night. That's pretty amazing. Now, when I first got into 3D printing, I thought of it as something that you could just do things, something like, like this, just little toy, little bauble, and nothing too much. But as I've watched it grow over the years, people have done amazing things with it by adding on hardware that you can easily get and building things ranging from robots to an entire camera rig for this guy's shop, which was incredible to see. So my question to you all is, what has 3D printing done to solve a problem in your life? And it can be as simple as a door handle, or even simpler, to something as crazy as creating an entire camera rig for your workshop, which is a real video. That guy's amazing, and I hope that I get to his level one day. But for now, until my design skills get way better, I'm going to focus on improving 3D printing as a manufacturing process. If you found some value in today's video and you want to see more of what we do, we would love to have you along, and I feel strangely obligated to say, don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help us out, probably, I'm guessing. I have no idea, but we're going to find out. So, thank you again, and I guess we'll go make something.